my channel. Today I will be doing another wig review for you all for this beautiful bomb wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. I see that you guys prefer when I do more hair videos, so I will plan to do just that. Alrighty y'all, so this is how the wig came. This is a Noblesse lace wig, and it's a premium quality lace wig, and it also says fashion wig. It says it's a lace part wig, and it says curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. Okay, so it came just like this. The price of it is $39.99 at my local beauty supply store plus tax, so I don't know how much you guys will pay if you decide to order it online or go to your local beauty supply store. So it says extraordinary quality you've always wanted and dreamed of, and this is the LF3215 Bibian wig, and this is how it looks. And you can also see right here that it's showing you that it is indeed a lace wig. So it has a nice beautiful middle part, and it also comes down in the front a little bit longer than the back. So I really like the way that it comes down longer in the front. I've always wanted an inverted bob type look, so I feel that this is really beautiful. And this is how the back is. So the back is very blunt in the back. So I really love this wig so far. And I also got this card that I received with the wig, and it says a new approach, synthetic wig and variety of style with color. Noblesse fashion wig offers luxurious upgrade quality you've always dreamed of. Elite, sophisticate from casual to elegant, you'll always have great hair and stunning style. Your dream hair is now within reach, which I really like. And it also says www.domehair.com, so I'm guessing this is where the wig is. And like I said, mine is in the style LF3215 Bibian, and they do come in numerous colors. Some of the colors that this wig comes in is 1B, 2, 4, 99J, F1B30, F427, TT1 blue, TT4 613. So it comes in like blondes and blues and browns and blacks, but I got mine in a color number 1, which is black. That's pretty much all she had like in stock was a 1. I initially wanted a 1B because I feel like 1B looks more natural on me, but I do like the number 1, the jet black, because I feel like it brings out my skin tone. And yes, I did get some shedding when I took it initially out of the box, but I definitely do love this wig. I wanted to come on here and just do a quick review, show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box. I didn't do any plucking, anything to my part. So this is my part straight out of the box. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and pluck some, I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze the part a little bit and put a little bit of foundation and blend it into the way that I want to make it. Doesn't really need a lot of work. Just tweezing the part a little bit and putting a little bit of foundation or concealer on your part would do just the trick. But this wig is absolutely beautiful, and yes, it is a synthetic unit. So I'm not expecting it to last, you know, forever, but it's a very cute wig that I bought to do a video that I have coming up for y'all, and I'm really excited about this video. But I did buy this wig as one of my wigs for that video. So yeah, I really like it. So far it doesn't tangle so far, but the shedding is definitely there. It definitely does shed. I pretty much wore it all last night, and there were kind of like hair all over my floor in my bathroom as I was changing into different outfits and things like that to shoot this video that I'm gonna do for you guys. But this is pretty much it. This is how it looks. Like I said, it's called the Noblesse lace wig. And yeah, but I just absolutely love the cut. Can we just appreciate the cut for a second? Just appreciate the cut. Like, this is beautiful, amazing, and everything else. And you know, it's definitely something that could be worn to work, it could be worn to go out, it can be worn numerous ways. But I absolutely love this wig, and I just had to come on here and show you guys what I found in my local beauty supply store. So yeah, it only has lace in the middle where the actual middle part is. So it only has lace in this area. No, you cannot part it anywhere else. As you can see, the tracks begin way at the front of the wig. So it's not a full lace wig or anything like that, and it's not really a lace front. It's just the lace part right here that they have in the middle. That's the only part that is lace, and it also does have 2 combs right here in the front on the side of the part, which I like because that way you can make sure that your part is laid down nice, natural, and flat. Looking lumpy right here, you want it to look as natural as possible. So I do appreciate these 2 combs right here in the front. And then there's also 1 comb in the back of my hair, which I really love as well because, like I said in my previous video, I love, love, love security. And there's even a strap in the back where you can make the wig tighter if you feel like it is definitely too big for your head. And I really like the fact that they have straps because everybody ain't got the same head. Some people got big heads, some people got little heads, some people got narrow heads, some people got round heads, you know, so you have to tighten the wig and adjust it to your liking. But yes, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick review on this wig. Let's go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see another quick wig review. And yeah, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.